Welcome to Holistic Vibe. Did you know that intermittent fasting is one of the most popular health trends today, with proven benefits for weight loss, metabolic health, and even longevity? In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting, the different methods you can try, and practical tips to get you started. Let's dive in. First things first. What exactly is intermittent fasting? Simply put, intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. There are several methods of intermittent fasting, including the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, the 5.2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2, and more extreme approaches like the Eat Stop Eat or alternate day fasting. Fasting isn't a new concept. Throughout history, many cultures and religions have practiced fasting for various reasons, from health to spiritual well-being. Now let's talk about why so many people are turning to intermittent fasting. One of the most appealing benefits is weight loss. Fasting helps you eat fewer meals, which means fewer calories. Plus, it enhances hormone function to facilitate weight loss. Intermittent fasting increases your metabolic rate by 4 to 14%, helping you burn more calories. But the benefits go beyond just weight loss. Intermittent fasting can improve your metabolic health by lowering insulin levels, which helps your body access stored fat more easily. It also reduces blood sugar levels and insulin resistance, which can help prevent type 2 diabetes. Another fascinating benefit is the process of autophagy, where your cells remove damaged components and regenerate new, healthy cells. This process is believed to contribute to longevity and protection against diseases like cancer. Intermittent fasting also supports heart health by improving cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. And let's not forget about the brain. Fasting can enhance cognitive function, protect against neurodegenerative diseases, and improve overall mental clarity. Balancing hormones is another key benefit. Fasting can regulate the hunger hormone ghrelin, making it easier to control cravings and appetite. It also boosts human growth hormone, which is crucial for muscle gain and fat loss. Ready to give it a try? Here are some tips to get started. First, choose the right method for you. Whether it's the 16-8 method, 5.2 diet, or another approach, pick one that fits your lifestyle. Start gradually. Ease into fasting by slowly increasing your fasting period. Staying hydrated is crucial. Drink plenty of water and non-caloric beverages like tea or coffee. Focus on balanced nutrition. During your eating windows, fill your meals with nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. And yes, you can exercise while fasting. Most importantly, listen to your body. Fasting isn't for everyone, so pay attention to how you feel and adjust your schedule accordingly. To get the most out of intermittent fasting, avoid these common mistakes. Don't overeat during your eating windows. It can be tempting, but it's important to eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. Make sure you're meeting your nutritional needs. Fasting isn't an excuse to eat junk food. Consistency is key. Stick to your chosen fasting schedule for the best results. And remember, be patient. It may take a few weeks to see noticeable changes. Now let's address some common questions and misconceptions. Is fasting safe? For most people, yes. However, it's not recommended for everyone, including those with certain medical conditions. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting. Will fasting slow my metabolism? Contrary to popular belief, short-term fasting can actually boost your metabolism. Can women fast? Absolutely, but women may need to adjust their fasting schedule due to hormonal differences. Listen to your body and find what works best for you. Does fasting mean no food at all? During fasting periods, you'll avoid solid foods, but water, tea, coffee, and other non-caloric beverages are usually fine. Let's explore some lesser-known benefits of intermittent fasting. Did you know that fasting can improve gut health? It helps regulate your digestive system and supports a healthy microbiome. Fasting may also enhance your immune function, making your body more resilient to infections. Plus, some people report clearer skin and reduced acne thanks to the reduced insulin spikes and lower inflammation. In summary, intermittent fasting offers a range of benefits from weight loss and metabolic health to improved brain function and longevity. Why not give it a try and see how it works for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, every health journey is unique, and finding what works best for you is key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay happy.